In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare a DocuSign document effortlessly. Whether you're managing contracts or handling confidential agreements, mastering DocuSign can streamline your document management process and ensure a smooth workflow. So, let's dive in and walk you through the steps to get started with DocuSign. First, you'll begin on your DocuSign homepage. Here, you'll find various options, but for the sake of our task, look for the Start button. Alternatively, you can navigate to the Agreements section. It's pretty straightforward. Just opt for Start Now to begin your document preparation. This initial step sets the stage for everything that follows. Now, let's move to the next crucial part: uploading your documents. Whether you have the files stored on your computer or want to make use of a pre-existing template, DocuSign makes it easy to upload. Just click on the section that lets you choose your files. If you're using a template, selecting it will help maintain consistency in your document structure. This feature ensures that every detail is correct and saves time on formatting. Moving forward, you'll need to enter some essential details, specifically the names and email addresses of the people who will interact with the document. This is an opportunity to personalize the experience a bit. Consider adding a unique code for easy tracking or a private message that adds a personal touch to your communications. Furthermore, key in the email subject and any necessary message to provide context for the recipient. Once that's done, simply click Next to proceed. Now we're getting into the part where you organize the signing fields. Under Standard Fields, you'll notice a selection that allows you to drag different types of fields onto your document. These can include signatures, dates, email fields, names, addresses, numbers, and more. This is the stage where attention to detail is crucial. Take your time to carefully position each field in the appropriate place. Not only does this enhance clarity, but it also ensures that the document flows logically from start to finish. Once everything is set up and you're satisfied with how the document looks, it's time for the final step: sending out the document. At the top or bottom of your workspace, you should see a Send button. Before you click it, make sure you've reviewed everything one last time. Double-check that all fields are correctly placed and that the information is accurate. Once you're confident that everything is in order, click Send, and your document will be on its way. And there you have it. You've now successfully prepared a DocuSign document. Following these steps will make the process seamless and efficient, ensuring you're making the most of what DocuSign has to offer. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore more of our content for tips and guides on maximizing your productivity.